This is what makes you one of a kind. You are the embodiment of originality. You are very original. People are in awe of your style, your flair, your grace. People have never seen or witnessed come across an energy like yours before. People want to copy you and bite your style. So you may find that a lot of people may try to imitate your flair, how you talk, how you walk, your whole swag, even your dress sense and your hairstyles. People may feel like if they can have what you got naturally, then they will gain the same blessings that you have. Then people will treat them the way that they treat you. Your life path requires you to lead and help others. You may find that a lot of people come up to you and tell you about their problems or their whole life story. For some of you, I'm really feeling that you should go into the field of maybe psychology or counselling or becoming a life coach of some sort. People feel safe around you. Your personality shines and you are a vibe. You may notice that people may always want you to come out with them, or for some of you, unfortunately, you may notice that people may not want to invite you out because they're threatened by your light. You are a star and you will become famous for your gifts. Some people may ask you, what do you do? Or are you famous? Because you have so much radiance of light that shines outwardly. And you are someone of importance. We are all important, but you look like and you feel like to others that you should be somebody that is in the public eye. You are compassionate and caring. People can sense your heart and your kind and caring ways. Fortunately, you may give too many chances to the wrong people because you see them the way that you see yourself, and you also see the good in others. And that is a strength. Because you are compassionate with yourself, it leads to you being compassionate towards others. But sometimes you have to be mindful as to who you choose to be compassionate towards. Your aura is captivating, otherworldly. You are not from this world. It's almost like you're an earth angel. People may compete with you because they see in you a highlight and they want your magic too. So you may find that people are very competitive with you because they want to beat you at all costs. They may feel like if they can, beat you at something, that will mean that they are amazing too. And everyone does have amazing attributes and skills and qualities, but they're not tapping into their magic. They could be very obsessed with your magic because you are a leader. You are brilliant. You are a master of your craft. So whatever you do, you are a master of it. And people, whether they tell you or not, they look up to you because you are hypnotic. You are otherworldly. Some of these people want you to fail because they feel that they deserve better than you, despite not going through what you went through or working as hard as you. So you may have a bit of haters, TikTok family, and they may want your blessings despite not, putting in the work like you have. You are a gift and a blessing to many. Your energy is healing and transformative. You healing yourself helps others to do the same because you come from a bloodline of powerful kings, queens, warriors. And in this lifetime, you will continue your family's legacy by tapping into your power, but you will inspire others to tap into their own power too. Keep being the amazing you and keep being one of a kind.